Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your LG TV is on WebOS and connected to the internet so streaming is stable. Once done, open the YouTube app from the home screen. Don't linger in settings. If you plan to use casting, have your phone ready and on the same network. If you prefer account features, choose Sign In Now, otherwise continue as guest. This first step gets you into the app quickly and sets up the account or pairing that you'll rely on next. Now you sign in. Select Sign In and follow on-screen instructions. Often a code appears, enter it at YouTube. /activate with your Google account. Once signed in, you'll see Home, Explore, Subscriptions, and Library. Use the remote arrows for precise selection or press the microphone button to voice search when typing is slow. To save time later, pin channels and apps to the launcher row. Make sure recommendations match your account. Otherwise, adjust subscriptions and history to refine suggestions for future use. To finish, select a video and adjust playback. Change quality for bandwidth, toggle captions when needed, and add items to watch later. If you prefer casting, tap the cast icon on your phone, choose the LG TV on the same network, and control playback from the device. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of the TV first, then check for WebOS and app updates. If issues persist, clear the YouTube app data or reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.